Hi, I'm Matilda and I'm a certified clinical aromatherapist. I'm also a trainer for internationally accredited aromatherapy courses. So if you would like to pursue aromatherapy professionally or would like to deepen your knowledge in this area, do check out my link to my courses in the description down below for more information on the courses that I teach. This channel is set up to empower women in health and wealth. So if you like the topics that I'm sharing in this channel, do subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell so that you will be the first to be notified of future videos. Today, I'm going to share with you what are some of the uses and benefits of geranium essential oil. So if you like this video that you're watching, do smash the like button and share it with your friends. While geranium is used widely in perfumery and cosmetics because of its sweet floral aroma, it is also used for centuries for regenerating and healing skin conditions. It is also known as the poor man's rose as it smells very similar to rose. The essential oil is also used in aromatherapy as a natural remedy for health and wellness. You may inhale geranium directly or via a diffuser, and you may also apply it topically, directly, or diluted with a carrier oil. So here we go. Here are some of the uses of geranium. First and foremost, we use geranium for skin wellness. Now, because geranium contains antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and antiseptic properties, that makes geranium beneficial for reducing acne breakouts, skin irritation, and skin infections when applied topically diluted. Now remember, if you're experiencing a skin irritation, do not apply essential oil directly onto your skin. It has to be highly diluted or simply diffuse the oil near the affected area. We can also use geranium as a liver tonic, as geranium is a liver stimulant and helps to dilate the bile duct to promote liver detoxification. Another common usage of geranium is to support hormonal imbalance in women. So if you're experiencing hormonal imbalances, especially if you're going through menopause or perimenopause, you can use geranium. And also, if you are experiencing heavy menstrual flow, lots of bleeding, because geranium has this ability to stop bleeding. You can use geranium if your menstrual flow is too heavy. However, if your menstrual flow is scanty, then I wouldn't recommend that you use geranium. And if you would like to find out more about balancing hormones, you can check out my other video over here on what are some of the other essential oils that can help you balance hormones. I also have another video on the signs of hormonal imbalance in women. So do check out these videos after you have watched this video. Another usage of geranium is that it helps to promote circulation. So if you are experiencing edema, like swelling in your legs or your feet after standing for too long, you can actually take a tub of hot water, put a few drops of geranium inside and soak your feet in it. Because geranium contains very high amounts of citronellol, it may also be very beneficial for people suffering from neurodegenerative diseases. So what is neurodegenerative diseases? So for example, Alzheimer's, multiple sclerosis, and Parkinson's diseases. These are some of the examples of neurodegenerative diseases. And a study found that high concentration of citronellol, which is a component of geranium, inhibited nitric oxide production, reducing inflammation and cell death in the brain. So geranium may actually help to reduce some of the discomfort that comes along with people who are suffering from neurodegenerative diseases. It is best that you consult a certified clinical aromatherapist on how you can actually use these essential oils to support people who are suffering from these conditions. You may also wish to know that geranium helps to boost sexual libido in women because it actually promotes vaginal secretion. So for those of you who might be suffering from hormonal imbalance and you experience vaginal dryness, then you might want to try geranium. And for those of you who have old folks at home who keep repeating about the past, who just have problems letting go of past negative memories, who cannot let go of the baggage, you may want to diffuse geranium for them because geranium actually helps to release negative memories and helps in letting go of emotional baggage. By diffusing geranium, it may also help you to relax, help to ease nervous tension. It may also help in reducing your levels of stress, anxious feelings, and depressive thoughts. Geranium may also help in fungal infections like ringworm, as well as viral infections such as herpes and shingles. You may also wish to use geranium as a deodorant or simply as a perfume because it smells so floral, so sweet, and so nice. Besides geranium, you can also use tea tree, lime, bergamot. If you have not watched my video on tea tree, you may also want to check it out after this video. Another usage of geranium is that it can also be used as an insect repellent. Yeah, so imagine wearing a perfume that also acts as an insect repellent. How nice is that, right? So yeah, you can use geranium as an insect repellent on its own, or you can make a blend with tea tree, lemongrass, citronella, lavender, peppermint, rosemary. All these oils work very well as an insect repellent. Now that you know all the uses and benefits of geranium, it's time for us to see what are some of the precautions that we need to take note of, especially if we're sharing with our friends and family with regards to geranium. So I would recommend that you avoid geranium on children, those who are pregnant, nursing, and if you suffer from some kind of estrogen-related disorder. So if you like this video, do smash the like button and share it with your friends. Subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you will be the first to be informed of future videos. That's all I have to share about geranium today. I really appreciate you being here today. So if you like this video, do smash the like button and share it with your friends. Have a great week ahead and don't forget to check out my other videos.